I'm just in shock, and so is the National Olympic Stadium. But coming up next, folks,
we're going to be even in more shock after this match.
It's going to be Ammo taking on the immovable Bulk Hogan in an I shit match. And Mark, earlier on today, Bulk Hogan clearly told me that this will most likely be his last match with the TWA.
And he told me the recipe for a Lego Sundae.
The following contest is an I shit match. The object of the match is to put your opponent in a submission so painful he will have to crap his pants. Introducing first, from Jacksonville, Florida, weighing in at 231 pounds, Ammo!
I'm sure this Japanese crowd is very confused about why us American/Canadians would have this type of match.
The I shit match is basically the I quit match, only you have to make your opponent shit his pants in order for him to lose. Ammo would love nothing more than to humiliate Bulk Hogan and kick him out of the TWA once and for all.
What you gonna do when Bulk Hogan rumbles all over you?
And his opponent, from Hollywoodland, California, weighing in at 324 pounds, the immovable Bulk Hogan.
What do you know, Mark? He brought back the classic tights. The same tights that Bulk Hogan shit his pants in the last time he was in an I shit match. And he's got the whole crowd of Japan on his side. Wait a minute! That's Rico Flair! That damn pipsqueak, get him out of here! And now Ammo, he's going to try to make Bulk Hogan shit his pants here. Is he going to do it? Is he good? No! Bulk Hogan trained very well for this match. He must have an iron constitution right here.
You heard Snot Hall mention last Battlefront he was preparing by eating lots of rice, so he's gotta be backed up like 5 p.m. traffic right now.
Well, no shit. Excuse the pun there. Of course, rice is very good, but what about bananas or yams? Or maybe some cheese? That would have also helped Bulk Hogan in keeping himself, well, binded. And Ammo, he's going to try to take the cheap way and use a pool stick cue to hammer Bulk Hogan enough to the point where I guess he shits his pants. I guess that's his mindset. And he's aiming right for that lower midsection. I guess the more pain Bulk Hogan's lower midsection is in, the more he would have to shit himself. You can hear the crowd in Japan screaming, Hogan! Hogan!
I don't hear anybody screaming that.
Just play along, will you? And Ammo really striking Bulk Hogan with that garbage can. Bulk Hogan, he is considered the king of the I shit match, despite the fact he lost all of them.
Except for one, but he had lots of help in that one.
And Ammo just strikes at Bulk Hogan, sending him to the outside. Lately, I haven't seen Bulk Hogan getting any bit of offense in. But will it only be a matter of time before we see what the Bulkster is made of?
Or full of.
Will Bulk Hogan point to the man upstairs to help him through this match? Bulk Hogan Now he's going to play dirty, and he rams Ammo's head into the ring post. Ammo's yelling for Bulk Hogan to get back in the ring. And now we're going to see what Bulkamania is made of. And Bulk Hogan just fell down trying to deliver that backdrop. You can't describe Bulkamania. It's one of the most powerful forces in the universe. And now Ammo, he's going to try to, I think, wrench on the arm of Bulk Hogan?
I don't think that submission would work. He's sitting down. That's probably keeping the poo in.
Indeed. And Bulk Hogan just tripped Ammo's knees up. And now, Bulk Hogan going for a submission hold right here. But Ammo, he's very well trained in military tactics, so therefore he would know how to escape submissions such as those. The longer this match goes, the more it favors Ammo. And now Ammo. Maybe he's just going to beat Hulk Hogan into shitting his pants. And what the? Ammo broke the table with Bulk Hogan. He's sitting in midair.
Why did the referee ring the bell?
What's going on, ref? Do we have a match or what? I don't think the fans in Japan are going to like this. They want to see someone soil themselves.
Ladies and gentlemen, I've just been informed by the referee that the winner of this match as a result of a glitch is Ammo!
And now I think the fans in Tokyo are throwing trash in the ring. They're pissed off.
What the hell kind of a call is that? A glitch? This isn't TWAR.
I think fans are going to label this the worst match in the history of TWA. And Bulk Hogan, he is incensed. He is pissed off.
Well, the referee sure looks happy.
And now Bulk Hogan, he's had enough. And he's hammering both Ammo and referee Charles Robinson. Bulk Hogan, he might face a suspension for this, but hell, Bulk Hogan said this was going to be his last match, so he figures, why the hell not? And the fans in Tokyo are chanting, bullshit!